Hello everyone, I am Monica Hira from Raval Convent School. Today the topic of my explanation is Modern Periodic Table. Lesson number 5, Periodic Classification of Elements of Class 10th. Modern Periodic Table was given by Henry Moseley in 1930. The law he states that the physical and chemical properties of elements are periodic function of their atomic number. In other words, when the elements are arranged in order of their increasing atomic number, the elements with similar properties are repeated after certain regular intervals. Atomic number is equal to the number of protons in the nucleus of an atom, and this number increases by 1 in going from one element to the next. Table is called long form of the periodic table. In this table, properties of the elements are dependent on the electronic configuration, that is, electronic distribution. The modern periodic table has 18 vertical columns known as groups and 7 horizontal rows known as periods. The vertical columns present in the periodic table are called groups. In the modern periodic table, there are 18 groups. The horizontal rows present in the periodic table are called periods. In modern periodic table, there are 7 periods. Elements having same number of valence electrons are placed in the same group. For example, elements having valence electrons equal to 1 are placed in the first group. Elements having valence electrons equal to 3 are placed in the 13th group. Elements having valence electrons equal to 2 are placed in second group, except helium, which is placed in the 18th group since it is the inert gas. The atomic radius decreases in moving from left to right along a period. This is due to the increase in the nuclear charge, that is, increase in the number of protons without increasing shell, which tends to pull the electrons closer to the nucleus and reduces the size of the atom. The atomic size increases down the group. This is because new shells are being added as we go down the group. This increases the distance between the outermost electron and the nucleus so that the atomic size increases in spite of the increase in nuclear charge. The valencies of all elements of the same group are the same. The valency of the element with respect to oxygen is equal to the group number. Metallic character of the element decreases along a period because the effective nuclear charge acting on the valence shell electrons increases due to the decrease in atomic size. Metallic character of the element increases while moving down in a group because the effective nuclear charge experienced by valence electrons is decreasing as the outermost electrons are farther away from the nucleus due to the increase in the atomic size. The group 1 elements are also known as alkali metals. Lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium and francium have 1 electron in the valence shell. They are also called alkali metals because their hydroxides are strong alkalis. Group 17 elements are known as halogens. The elements placed in group 17 and have 7 electrons in the valence shell and are also called monovalent. All these elements form salts called halides, for example sodium chloride and potassium chloride. Elements belonging to 3 to 12 groups are called transition elements. They are called transition elements because they are placed between the most reactive metals on the left and non-metals on the right. Inner transition elements, the 6th period consists of elements that have atomic number 58 to 71. They are called lanthanides. The 7th period consists of elements that have atomic number 90 to 105. They are called actinides. Both of them are called inner transition elements.